Buenos días a todos. Hoy es martes 24 de junio. Today is Tuesday, June 24th, and it's the morning after the San Juan celebration. And as you saw, it's 11:38 a.m. Yes, I did sleep in, and it was so much needed. And we have the day off from school, which is nice, so even more reason to sleep in. But I'm just getting started with my Bible reading and my devotions. And then I don't know what the day holds, because most things are going to be closed because it's a holiday, so it might just be a chill day at home. But stay tuned for that and come along with me for the day.
Okay, my turn, right? Let's finish this game and then we can drink. Alright, I'm gonna make it.
The tower of Hercules. It's a lighthouse in Coruña, and it's very famous.
Ladrando. Un bebé llorando.
We're at the beach, and it's really nice. It's a little windy, but it's relaxing, and it's much needed today. Hola a todos, I'm back in the room and basically got ready for bed. The beach was lovely. It was nice and overcast today, but it did say it might rain later this week. Also, don't mind the birds. They make interesting noises here. I don't know why. But I'm just getting ready to do some journaling and then do a reflection for art class. I might do some more reading, so yeah. But just wanted to do a little recap. The beach was lovely and needed, and definitely got some much needed rest. So yeah, don't know what the rest of the evening looks like. Probably dinner and then just going to bed and prepping for classes tomorrow, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hola a todos, I'm back and I'm just coming on here to sign off. I did my Spanish reflection that our professor assigned to us. I did my journaling, ate some dinner, and now I'm going to wind down by reading my book. It's The Summer I Turned Pretty in Español, and honestly it's kind of helping me get ready for season 3, which is exciting. And I'm making progress in this book, which is nice, and I'm understanding it, which is pretty cool. And it is currently 10 p.m. or 10:01 p.m. But anyways, I'm just coming on here to sign off and just say adios y hasta mañana. And thank you for tuning in.